Hi guys, so in this video I'll be trying to make this broken headphone into its original form. So it'll be a very easy video, like it is very easy, and let's just get into the video. So as you can see, the headphone is actually broken in one side. It was the same in the other side, but I had fixed it using the same method which is going to be in this video. So to fix it, we'll just need the materials over here. The materials will be an insulation tape of any sort and a Fevikwik, which will be very easy to get, and we need an AA battery. So we can get AA batteries which has this outer covering in it. So what we'll be doing is we have to take that outer covering and flat it out using a hammer. Like we just hammer it down and flat it out. Then of course we needed a scissor to do the job, and we need this how to tell, a board or something. So that board will be just to protect us. So first, in order to fix it, we'll just glue both the parts which are broken away using that Fevikwik. We'll just put it inside that empty spaces in it, and then we'll just fix them together and just do it a hard press to each other, so it will just stick together for a bit. Then what we'll have to do is we have to take the metal sheet which we got from the thing, and we have to cut it down to the size of that headphone's width. So we'll just take the scissor and we'll cut it down according to the size which we need. Then what we'll have to do is we have to take that metal sheet and bend it a bit so that it will be in the same curve as the headphone. Then we have to add glue to it, that is the Fevikwik to it, so that it will stick properly. So we'll just apply the Fevikwik to one side of the metal plate, and we'll fix it to the headphone, and we have to press it down hard so that it will stick together properly. We have to do the same thing for the other side. Like whatever we did, we have to do the same thing for the back part or something like that. What you will tell, you can just use it like that. So I'll just do it for the other side, and we'll take the insulation tape and we have to run it around. Like we have to take the insulation tape and roll around the entire fixed plate so that it will stick properly without any future dismantlement, and we'll just roll it around together. So we'll just have to be rolling it. Then we have to apply glue in between the tape so that it will be a much more hard fix than a normal tape fix. It will be a much more stronger fix. We'll just apply glue to the rest of the places, and we'll just roll it around so that it will be much more stronger, and it will create a much more bigger bond to the tape and the metal part and the headphone, so it will be very strong together. So that's it guys, and once we do it for the entire area, it will be a good fix, and it will be hardly shaking anywhere. It will be very strong, and it will never ever break in future also. So that's what I hope. Yeah. So guys, as you have gathered by now, it's actually a good fix, and it actually feels very comfortable while wearing it, and it is actually very comfortable to hear through and everything, and it breaks all the sound barriers, and it is actually a good fit. So you can also do it for your headphones if it is broken. So thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye.